the number one nutrient most people are deficient in. Did you know that there is one nutrient that stands out as being the most deficient in over 50% of the entire global population? That's right. And sadly, this particular nutrient is absolutely essential for over 300 chemical reactions within our bodies, including regulating energy production, stabilizing blood sugars, maintaining healthy blood pressure, supporting proper muscle function, and even influencing your mood. I am going to share with you which specific nutrient I am talking about and what you can do to make sure that you're getting enough of it. Because not getting enough of this nutrient can lead to some very concerning issues that you definitely want to avoid. And I'm also going to give you 4 super important hacks that most people don't know about, so you can use them to help fix this problem. And those of you new to my channel, welcome. Welcome. I'm a functional medicine provider specializing in hormones and the thyroid. This content is all about hormone health and optimizing your health and your life after 40. Now let's dive into today's topic. In today's episode, we're talking about the number one nutrient that most people are not getting enough of. And that nutrient is magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a huge role in keeping our bodies running smoothly. It helps with hundreds of chemical processes. Unfortunately, over 50% of the population isn't getting enough magnesium in their daily diet. So this is what I'd like to call the big magnesium mistake. And this is how it happens. You see, modern farming practices have depleted the magnesium content in the soil. This means that even foods that are naturally high in magnesium, such as leafy green vegetables, don't have as much magnesium as they used to. To make matters worse, many processed foods that make up a large portion of people's diets don't have any magnesium at all. And to top it off, things like coffee and alcohol can actually deplete your magnesium levels even further. So how do you know if you're making the big magnesium mistake? Well, there are several signs to look out for. You see, when your body is magnesium deficient, it can cause all kinds of unwanted symptoms. Some common ones are persistent muscle cramps, especially in your lower legs or feet, trouble sleeping or waking up frequently during the night, feeling tired or fatigued all the time, even after getting enough sleep, anxiety or nervousness, even when there's no obvious reason, persistent headaches or migraines, and digestive issues like constipation or diarrhea. However, the scariest part is that these symptoms can often be ignored or written off as just another part of being busy and stressed. Many people try to treat these symptoms with over-the-counter pain relievers, caffeine, or other stimulants, instead of addressing the root cause, a lack of magnesium. Magnesium is known as the anti-stress mineral because it's essential for keeping your stress response in check. When you're magnesium deficient, your body's stress response can become dysregulated, making it harder to relax and leading to more stress. So basically, you end up with more stress and less magnesium, which creates a vicious cycle. Now here are the 4 biggest secrets about magnesium that most people aren't aware of. First secret, not all magnesium supplements are created equal. There are several different forms of magnesium supplements, and each one has its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, magnesium oxide is a common form of magnesium supplement, but it's not very well absorbed by the body, meaning you would need to take more of it to get the same effect. Plus, taking larger amounts of magnesium oxide can cause digestive issues like diarrhea. Other forms of magnesium, such as magnesium glycinate, magnesium citrate, and magnesium malate, are more easily absorbed by the body and are gentler on the stomach. So, while all of these forms contain the same amount of elemental magnesium, the body uses some forms better than others. and the trick is to choose the forms that are highly absorbable and have minimal side effects. The best forms of magnesium include magnesium glycinate, magnesium citrate, and magnesium malate. They're more easily absorbed by the body and are gentler on the stomach. If you've taken magnesium supplements in the past and didn't notice any benefits, it's possible that you were taking a form that your body had trouble absorbing. Secret number 2. Stress destroys magnesium. When your body experiences stress, whether it's physical, emotional, or mental stress, it causes your body to go into a state of alertness. This is known as the fight or flight response. Your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which causes you to burn through magnesium at a faster rate. Magnesium is involved in regulating this stress response, so when you're low in magnesium, your body can't properly manage stress. This can create a vicious cycle where stress lowers your magnesium levels, and low magnesium makes you more sensitive to stress. Breaking this cycle involves restoring your magnesium levels through diet or supplements and finding healthy ways to manage stress, like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Secret number 3. Magnesium helps with sleep more than you think. We all know that a good night's sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being. But did you know that magnesium plays a vital role in helping you get that sleep? Magnesium is involved in producing melatonin, which regulates your sleep-wake cycles. Having enough magnesium in your system allows your brain to relax and prepare for sleep, leading to a more restful night. If you're not getting enough magnesium, your brain may struggle to wind down, leading to restlessness and difficulty falling asleep. People who increase their magnesium intake often report sleeping better and waking up feeling refreshed. Secret number 4. Food choices can either help or block magnesium. Certain foods can affect how much magnesium your body absorbs. Sugary and processed foods can actually block magnesium absorption, making it harder for your body to get the magnesium it needs. So if you're struggling to get enough magnesium, cutting back on these foods can help. On the other hand, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, beans, and dark chocolate are all rich in magnesium. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help ensure that you're getting enough magnesium. So now that you know all of this information, you might be wondering, how much magnesium should I be getting? Well, the recommended daily intake of magnesium varies depending on age and sex. However, for adults, it's generally between 300 and 400 mg per day. However, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have certain medical conditions, you may need more magnesium. It's always a good idea to talk to your doctor to find out how much magnesium you personally need. It's easy to fall into the trap of ignoring our body's needs until something goes wrong. But taking proactive steps to ensure that you're getting enough magnesium can really pay off in the long run. You'll have more energy, better sleep, and fewer aches and pains. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, you don't have to suffer in silence. With a few simple changes, you can unlock the benefits of magnesium and live a healthier, happier life. I'd love to hear from you. Have you experienced any of the symptoms of magnesium deficiency? Or have you tried taking magnesium supplements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.